Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be making a quick Christmas decor piece, and I'm also going to be doing a review. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Now what I did here is I grabbed one of the pumpkins from Halloween, and then I also grabbed some of these beautiful green pointsettas, and we cut them off the stem. And now what I'm doing is I'm putting some hot glue on the end, and we're going to be wrapping that entire pumpkin all the way around. You will not even be able to tell it's a pumpkin. And now we have a floral ball that we can use to decorate. Whether it's hanging or placing it somewhere, it's gonna look gorgeous. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay, now this floral ball came out absolutely gorgeous. Let's head on over to a quick reveal. So now I had a company called Homemark that reached out to me for their lighting. So let's head on over to the package, guys. So now I just got a package that we're opening up because we're going to go try a plant out here. And this works out really good because my son is out here raking, and then I'll have plenty of room to show you the solar lights that I got from Homemark. But first, what I want to do is take the stuff out of the package and then see how I can put these together. I'll be right with you guys. Okay, so I brought the box back inside. These, I thought they were a different kind that I ordered, but these are pretty nice too. So I would have asked for these anyway. So these are solar operated. Okay, so all I have to do is use the screws for the back, which are right here, to screw them onto the back porch. Probably from the outside, not from the inside, because these are solar powered. Aren't they pretty? I believe these are the white the white warm lights. It doesn't really say. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get these installed because it's just me by myself, and 8 came in the box. As you can see, I'm really excited to see how bright these shine. The problem is that we got cloud and rain, so we might have to wait a little while, but rest assured, I'm gonna show you what these look like. Okay, now we are outside in my back porch and we need to paint this over here, but they were so easy to install, I cannot even begin to tell you. 2 screws, just peel off the top where this part right here, this is solar, and then these lights. Now, of course, I'm sorry for the noise in the background, there's dogs barking, but I installed just 2 here in the back. Let's walk around here. And I install these 3 here. As you can see, I just needed 3 here, and now the other ones I'm gonna finish installing, but I did this on my own and normally I need help. I'm absolutely loving it so far. I cannot wait. We are having a cloudy day and it's gonna be raining, so I'm gonna have to come back when it's sunny so that you can see these solar lights light up. I am so excited, so let's see. Okay guys, so we have snow where I live and I am so happy. Look at my lights. They are so amazing. Let me come down here. Okay, let me just come down here and look at them. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love them. So if we go around on this side, I also put some on this side. It's very dark in my backyard. And we do have some animals. Oh my goodness, did you see that? That is so amazing. I mean, if I can install it, anybody can install it, guys. So let's go inside and finish off. Let me just finish telling you some more information about this company. Okay. Okay, so we are back inside, and like I said, this is what the box looked like. You see how bright and how beautiful those lights are. I do believe they come in colors. The company again is Homemark, and I'm gonna go ahead and put their link, Amazon link, in the description box. If you have any questions, just go ahead and click that link. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.